Our company is Medicinal Organic Cannabis Australia. We call it MOCA.
We're the directors of the company. My name's Alessandro Sorbello.
And I am Emanuela Ispani.
And we've been really busy at MOCA over the past 3 years.
We're licensed by the Australian federal and state government to import, export and wholesale medical cannabis. Our range of 21 products is all approved by the TGA. We also have obtained a state and federal approvals to cultivate in our facility in Europe, where it's less expensive and easier to manufacture than Australia, meaning we can keep our prices down for people that need our product the most. At MOCA, we believe that organic plant-based medicine has the capacity to heal people, animals and the planet. That's why we formed Australia's first organic cannabis company, and we work directly with farmers and cultivators. Working hands-on with farmers, we can manage the entire seed-to-sale process to ensure the highest quality. Our organic cannabis medicines are developed by our scientific team and can be sold to hospitals, medical practitioners and pharmacies. Now we are ready to expand our product range into Australia. This is where equity crowdfunding comes in. There are 3 things we need investment to grow. The first is manufacturing our MOCA branded products for immediate import into Australia. The products are licensed and ready, we just need to make them.
Secondly, and importantly, we've produced a new infusion product based on whole plants just like this one. We're very keen to get this product into Australia because we feel we can reduce patient access costs by up to 30%.
The third will come as a result of our growth, and that is operationalizing these greenhouses in Europe, where it's cheaper and easier to manufacture than Australia, and we grow sustainably.
We want you to be an investor in MOCA as we become the leader in organic plant-based medicine.
With the changes around the world due to COVID-19, there are a growing number of people suffering from anxiety and chronic pain, the 2 biggest conditions being treated in Australia with cannabis. A Canadian study found that 57% of patients are seeking organic cannabis alternatives for treating illness. We have supply agreements with pharmacies and practitioners across Australia.
That's why we've established this 7,000 square metre organic cultivation facility. We believe that cannabis is the medicine of the 21st century, and we believe that many others feel the same way. Buy a piece of MOCA and join us on our journey.